Hello. You're all right. Hello YouTube viewers, welcome back to Air Cannon Rocketry. This is the BT73 channel. Just want to introduce you to a new launcher for my air rockets. So it's nothing more than just a hose that runs all the way through the pipe. And you can see the garden connector right there at the end. I'm using ribbon.
It's actually water rockets, not air rockets. My mistake.
As I'm pulling on the ribbon, you can see it's releasing.
You can still use it for air powered ones.
So the PVC pipe's just there for security, just to get the hose to be secured in place. I'm not using any glue, I'm not using hot glue, no, I'm not using anything. Except for this part here. So just hold it into place with glue, just liquid nails and some tape over it, nothing else. That's not sealed onto the pipe, that's not sealed. So in other words, there is no pressure in the PVC. All the pressure goes from one end of the hose all the way to the other end of the hose, so the garden connector is connected. This part I should have extended a little bit longer. As you can see, the hose is right there. Got my bike valve. And just going to hand the video over to my missus of this. As always, just locks it into place. Done. I'm going to pressurize this. Not much, or a bit to start off, 20 psi. And then we're going to go outside and release it. Demonstration. Come behind me. Come behind me. I think I already lost 5 psi that way. And we go 3, 2, 1. You get the idea anyway. 20 psi is not much, but you can crank it up. Simple demonstration, simple construction. As I said, one hose, the other hose connector, and the PVC is there just to secure everything in place. That's pretty much it. Bye for now.